Alright guys, today let's take a look at Tianjin Port. First, let's again use Warren Buffett's mentor Benjamin Graham's stock picking method listed in the Intelligent Investor to evaluate this company. Number 1. Adequate size. Tianjin Port's market capital is about 13 billion Chinese yuan, ranked number 11 in port industry. Its annual revenue is 12 billion Chinese yuan. The size is moderate. Number 2 is strong financials. Tianjin Port's debt is 0.6 times of its stock equity, meeting the less than 2 requirement. Number 3, earnings stability. Tianjin Port has been profitable for 30 consecutive years, much better than the greater than 10 years requirement. Number 4, dividend record. Tianjin Port has paid out dividend for 15 consecutive years, meeting the requirement. Number 5, earnings growth. In the past 10 years, Tianjin Port's earnings decreased by 17.5%. This one is not passing the greater than 33% requirement. Number 6, moderate price to earning. Tianjin Port's 3-year average PE is 14.7, passing the less than 15 requirement. Number 7 is moderate price to assets. Tianjin Port's current price to book value is around 0.7. This one's also passing. So we can see that among the 7 criteria, Tianjin Port is failing 1, earnings growth. Okay, let's try to calculate its intrinsic value. The way I calculate Tianjin Port's intrinsic value is by adding up its current liquidation value with the next 15 years of total dividend. If it can sustain a plus 5% annual growth rate, the intrinsic value is 5.7 yuan per share. If it has no growth, the intrinsic value is 4.5 yuan per share. If it's declining, then the intrinsic value is 3.5 yuan per share. Tianjin Port, as the closest port to China's capital Beijing, is serving a large area in northern China. It's doing trade with many countries and regions in the world. The cargo categories at Tianjin Port are also pretty diverse. Tianjin Port's financial condition is healthy and its cash flow has been stable, although its recent year earnings are lower than year 2012 to 2016 peak. Also, we can hardly see any obvious growth opportunity on Tianjin Port's business. I still think its future earnings will show great tenacity and will be stable in the long run. I estimate its intrinsic value is around 4.5 Chinese yuan per share. It's worth noting that Tianjin Port's stock price has been lower than the calculated 4.5 yuan intrinsic value for long periods of time in the past. The market has not been fond of this company. In addition, Tianjin Port's dividend yield has been quite low. It rarely passed 2.5%, so its dividend is much less appealing than many other stocks. Therefore, even if you buy Tianjin Port stock at a price much lower than the intrinsic value, the overall experience of holding this stock may not be that great. Another way to look at this is that you may treat Tianjin Port's stock as a high-grade bond in your portfolio. I hope you like this analysis. What do you think about Tianjin Port? Let's discuss in the comments. Stay tuned, guys.